Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to look at how you can use the previous candlesticks to make money while trading cryptocurrency coin. Before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. All you just need to do is very simple. Make sure you have a verified Bybit account, and let's begin. So I have actually made a choice of a particular cryptocurrency coin, which is the PEP coin. So I'll be looking through this PEP coin. So now let's say in the couple of minutes ago, this particular PEP coins dropped to 0.50, then 3440. And again, it took a very reasonable movement to 0.50, 3520. You can see right here. Okay. All right. Now you have understood where this was and how high it went before a little declined again to this place. Okay. Please, I really need you to pay attention and watch this video carefully from the beginning to the end so that you can actually understand the whole process and you can try it on your own and make a reasonable profit for yourself. All right, now let me still take us back. Be very attentive on the candlesticks. Be very attentive. Okay, let's say, all right, we have okay, all right, let's take it from here. Now let's say we have this 0.0334 and it took a high movement to 0. What 0.503457. Okay, so if you see something of this nature and you watch it carefully and you realize that, okay, let's go front, and you realize that it later drops down again to where, to this particular place, which is 0.503315. Now you see, okay, let's still go further. Don't forget the topic for this. The topic for this is how we can use the previous candles movement to make money while trading cryptocurrency coin. All right, okay, now you watch it carefully and you see something of this nature going on. All right, now when you see this, let's assume that you have understood that this particular cryptocurrency coin has been moving from 0.0032, 0.0033, and 0.0034 or 33. Yeah, here. And when you see something of this nature, next time in the next movement, right? Since you are going to be using the previous candlestick to trade your crypto coin, when you see something of this nature next time, 0.000033, okay, you're gonna go into enter your trade. And when you enter your trade, you're gonna go into stay patient. And when it gets to 3 and this 3 gets to 6, you can sell your coin. And when you sell your coin, at that point, you're gonna go into wait for another opportunity. All right, I do hope you are getting me. Okay, if you do have any question, drop it at the comment sections, and if there's anything you are not getting properly, please drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Okay, all right, now we go forward. Okay, and we go forward and look at this place again. When you realize that it drops back again to this 0.503306, you can see, then you can be prepared to what? You can be prepared to join a new trade. You can see the multiple decline. Okay, Here you can prepare to join a new trade and patiently wait until you make profit. Then you can go ahead and sell it and start a new trade. You can always use these particular tactics on cryptocurrency coin that are very flexible, that are full of ups and downs, that are very flexible. Okay, you can't just buy anyone. You need to look at, because as you know, we said how you can use the previous candlestick movement to make profit in trading cryptocurrency coin. All right, you must look for a particular cryptocurrency coin that is not sedentary, that is not seated in one place, that is not moving, always neutral. Look for a particular cryptocurrency coin that always has a change plus 10 and plus 20. All right, so if we move forward, you can see from there to this is something, is another profit. Now you can see a sharp drop again, a sharp drop again here. It's another sharp drop. You can join your trade from here and stay patient. Okay, join your trade from there and stay patient will give you something very reasonable. You see what this one resulted to. Okay, stick your trade and stay patient and be very calculative. You need to follow up this particular cryptocurrency movement we're talking about, this particular candles movement. That is, the previous candle movement is what you're going to use in order for you to what, to stake your trade and also make a rational profit for yourself. All right, okay, now look at this place. Now you can see all this previous movement. Now coming here, you can see that there's been also a reasonable drop right here that got to 0.0035. One of the thing again you must observe here is that sometimes you see that the low are not the same. This one is 0.003 and it took a move, and this one is 0.004, right? 0.0034, and it took another movement. All right, so you're going to go into check. Most of the times you must not actually buy at exactly when the when the particular coin will triumph, okay, when the particular coin will rise, but you can maybe buy an inch to its reversal. All right, you can buy an inch to its reversal, maybe because maybe sometimes you buy it at this particular volume and you realize that it still goes down below this. Don't worry, stay patient and also stay focused, then you can be able to make something reasonable for yourself. Okay, so look at this again. You can see the same thing still happen here from 0 point look at here, from 0.00000345 to here 0.0003673. You can see. And one thing you must understand, that you must always value your profit. Okay, no profit is too small, but be consistent and always trade. Okay, when you're consistent, you're going to make a lot of profit for yourself. All right, you can see this is actually all that is been happening in this whole pep coins. You can see, so always dive in at the right time, and also go out at the right time. You must not be greedy, because once you are greedy, you're going to get a lot of issues trading your cryptocurrency coins. Okay, so now let's say you can just wait patiently for this in order for you to what, to dive in. But if you are not really sure, you can still dive in here. It's going to be an opportunity in the soon time. All right, so this brings me to the end of this particular class. If this is your first time coming across Tourist, please do what, subscribe, like also this video, and as well share, so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. So if there's any class, also any video or any tutorials you want me to talk about, please drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.